Hey friends, look at this situation here. The water is way, way down here in Roanoke River in Weldon, North Carolina. It's really way down. You see the rocks? Now, if you had a boat out there, you could see the rocks now. They call this Roanoke Rapids. These are the rapids in Weldon, North Carolina. You could see the rocks, and there's times when the water is way really high, covering these rocks. Cause you see the boat ramp right there. Now the boats can come up there and dock as a courtesy dock. Now think about it. You're not familiar with this area. You come down and put your boat down for the Rockfish contest that's held once a year. There's been many guys run their boats into these rocks or tear their propellers off, knock the engine off the boat, or injure themselves. That water can come all the way up to the edge of the grass. And those big boulders you see right there, water be covering those. For real, for real. It's dangerous. Why would somebody take a fiberglass boat down here when the water's all the way up to see the line, see the dirt and uprooted? Most time the water's up high like that. Today it's down real, real low. If you know why, comment in the comments below. See there, dock? What's under that dock, beside that dock when you put your boat there? See? Water come all the way up over those bricks right there. Right there, those bricks. I'm talking about the paving. It comes over top of that, cover that up. Check out the sounds of the water. Clean, drinkable water going out to the Albemarle Sound. Originated in Roanoke, Virginia, coming through North Carolina. Check out the sounds of the river rapids here.